Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and I think the last poll we didn't go anywhere, and I haven't done anything with it, so we're gonna do another one today. Django, the web framework. I'm gonna throw a poll up here, yes or no, and give me some feedback, or drop some comments, or likes, or Django. Is there any desire for me to spend any time making some videos for you guys? If there's any, I'll do it, because this is here for you. This is the one-stop shop, and you guys have been there and watching and commenting and cheering me along. So if you guys want this, guess what? I'll make it. This is your channel. You're driving this channel to help you and somebody else, because if you have the question, I promise, my experience, somebody else has the same question. I've been teaching and training people for almost 30 years now, so if you have a question, somebody else has the same question. They're worried about asking it. So if this is something you guys want to see, go ahead and like the video, or respond to that poll, and we'll get going on it. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, we got tons of videos here. We got them broke up into episode and playlists, 100 playlists, episodes. That actually came from multiple subscribers. So that is, I think, our biggest key point on an example of what we do here, that this is your channel. It's not my channel, it's your channel. And that has been probably the single biggest success, because I didn't think it would matter, but after about the 4th comment, I was like, maybe I should start doing it. And to be honest, that is what has propelled us to where we are. So this is thanks to you guys. So if you guys need this, guess what? We're gonna do it. So as always, guys, real quick video today, but videos all the time. And one other term, again, I didn't come up with it, micro videos. That's what we do here. So all right, guys, stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.